So today we're going to be removing the cylinder head, but first we have to remove this little mounting bracket to remove the cylinder head. Then we're going to remove this spark plug coil, then cover the electrical stuff with that's got mud and dirt with this wrapper right here, and hopefully no dirt will fall into the engine. Now I'm going to remove the spark plug coil and the radiator attachment. The spark plug should just pop right up. There we go. Now I'm going to remove the radiator hose clamp. Now, one thing I always like doing is when I take off an engine is I draw a circle, the spark plug, the radiator, the spark plug, and then looking at the engine, there's 3 bolts on each side. Then I poke holes in the cardboard and put each bolt in the cardboard so I know exactly where they came. So since the cylinder head's having a bit of trouble, I'm going to tap it with a mallet to try to break it free. There we go. It's finally off. Now, just for cleaning purposes, I'm gonna take this, that, and that off, but I'm gonna slide a paper towel or something over to protect so dirt doesn't go down inside the engine. So some things that I like doing are using plastic bags to cover open engine spots. And using little twist ties to lock up the bags.